Are you a parent? Do you have any teens at home? In this video, I will show you the top picks for flexible online jobs for teenagers to make a little side income so they can start learning about responsibility. It also doesn't hurt when the side gig also gives them an appreciation for all of the associated costs of their lifestyle. Your teens need a job that enables them to work when they are available outside of their other commitments. Whether it capitalizes on a hobby or it allows your teen to leap into the world of professional employment, online jobs are out there and available. So next time the conversation of getting a job and taking on financial responsibility comes up, don't let your teen convince you that there aren't any options. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these valuable videos. Alright, here we go. Etsy creator. Etsy is an excellent place for your teen to start peddling their creations. Whether they excel at painting or they're a whiz at generating downloadable JPEG files for others to purchase, Etsy is the place. According to Etsy's guidelines, to sell on the platform, you must be at least 18 years old. This restriction is in place due to the legal implications that an individual engages in when they agree to become a supplier through the site. However, if your teen is under 18, you don't need to rule out Etsy as an option. As their parent, you will probably want to take an active involvement in their first job and assist with online financial transactions anyway. And you can create a system in which your teen is the manufacturer and you the distributor. Not only will this provide them with valuable lessons on how the economy works, but it will also allow you to have a hand in the work they're doing. It's an excellent chance for your teen to make some extra cash and for you to bond over the process of creating a small business together. Number 2, clothing resale. If your teen is a mini fashionista or fashion icon, then there are plenty of resale sites that offer the opportunity to purchase clothing while generating profit. Some of these sites are simple, user-friendly platform that enables your teen to use quickly and easily. One that comes to mind is Poshmark. It is an excellent site that creates an easy, user-friendly platform with little fuss or frills. Depop is another option. It encourages users to become creative influencers who distribute looks that inspire or reflect an era. It may be the perfect way for your angst-ridden teens to express themselves, share their eye for fashion, and generate a small income. Number 3, creative entrepreneur. Your child may be artistic or creative. They probably decorate their lockers, rooms, and who knows what else. Channel this creative energy when they're in the thick of their employment search. Encourage your teen to use their artistic abilities to create items that they can sell or repurpose online. It's all work they can do from the comfort of their bedroom, so it's a job they can accomplish when they have the extra time. It won't impact their homework or their team practice. However, it will give them a glimpse into personal time management and the bonuses of fiscal rewards, both values you may want them to have. Number 4, Fiverr. Fiverr is the world's largest online marketplace for freelance job postings. The basis of this platform is that anyone can post a task or job they need to be completed. Then people who have the skill set requested complete the work. The enticing part of the work is that the payment is clearly defined from the beginning, so you know the job you're getting into shouldn't be too time-consuming or complicated, but will still give you a quick way to make a few extra dollars. With a variety of categories to choose from, Fiverr is in tune with a lot of interests and needs of the general public. Number 5, tutoring. Another avenue of possible employment is in the field of tutoring. If your teen has a knack for a specific subject area, they can offer their knowledge to a younger generation. If they're open to networking within the community, they may be able to find potential clients within homeschool groups or at your local elementary school. Often parents are seeking help with basic subject matters, and your teen may be the perfect fit to assist. If your teen would instead work within a network who they are not as intimately involved, then online tutoring may be the best or the perfect avenue. SameSpeak hires tutors as young as 16 years old to assist with teaching students in foreign countries with English language. Tutors receives $10 for every 30-minute session they complete, and pre-made lesson plans and outlines are available for each session. Number 6, Swagbucks. Swagbucks enables users to earn free gift cards for participating in surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. The way this particular platform works is through point generation, so every activity you complete enables the user to earn a specific number of points. And once those points rack up, users can cash in their points for gift cards to their preferred vendors. It's not cash in the hand, but it will provide your teen with a method of earning that can help with their extracurricular spending. This will allow them to have the cash they need without resorting to the bank of mom and dad. Number 7, Mistplay. If you have an Android device, make money playing games with Mistplay. Mistplay pays you to play games. Discover new games in your mix list, choose the game, and start earning units. Redeem your units for cash rewards and whenever you want. Number 8, Slice of the Pie. If your teen is a music junkie, then Slice of the Pie is the perfect income earning opportunity. Artists submit their tracks to the site and then ask for real honest reviews from listeners. If your teen provides insightful quality feedback, they may earn the opportunity to become a high-ranking Star Scout. As a Star Scout, they will receive payment for their opinion. Slice of the Pie is introducing fashion feedback too, so if your teen also considers themselves as an expert in this area, their opinion may prove to be an excellent method to earn added income. Number 9, Care.com. If your teen is an aspiring teacher or enjoys working with children, Care.com is a perfect platform to help them find babysitting opportunities. Care.com sets your teen up with a profile that gives prospective clients a view into their background and experience. It also allows your teen to review potential clients and decide if the work and the family is a good fit. Finally, Care.com offers options to provide full-time, part-time, and as-needed care. Therefore, your teen may use it to find a full-time nanny position during the summer months, a part-time position during after-school hours, or a position as a date-night babysitter. Care.com helps babysitters find flexible positions working with children as well as generate a semi-dependable job income. Okay, now you know that it's hard to find a convincing argument that there isn't a way for your teen to earn a little income. With flexible options available, there's no reason you shouldn't expect your high school child to start covering the cost of their date nights or shopping fetish. Any employment opportunity will assist in teaching your teen responsibility, accountability, time management, and financial reward. It's a huge win when you can combine financial independence with lifelong lessons. They may be balked at the idea of a side gig now, but in the future, they'll thank you for giving them the foundational lessons of building a career. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!